But here's the other two categories of deeds they'll have questions on. A void deed is pretty cut and dried. It's one that's missing at least one essential element. If it doesn't have all the essential elements, it's on its surface void. Well, a third type of deed that trips people up on the test quite often is a voidable deed. Voidable means that one party can back out if they want to, based typically on fraud or duress, or if one of them is a minor. Let's talk about that for a second. How can that happen? Well, if you wanted to buy my house, and I didn't want to sell it, but you decided to send somebody over to my house the day before closing and make it very clear to me that I better sign the deed at closing, otherwise I could have some big problems in my life. That would be duress. Or fraud. Maybe you defrauded me somehow. But I signed the deed at closing. After the fact, could I get out of that sale? Could I declare the deed voidable? Yes, because fraud or duress was involved. What if a deed was signed by a minor? And this is the one you'll likely see on the test. A deed involving a minor is not on its surface automatically void. We can argue about it, we can discuss it, have that for a later time. We're in test world here. If it says minor on the test and the question is about deeds, the correct answer is voidable.